Creating a GitLab CI/CD pipeline involves setting up automated workflows for continuous integration and delivery. Here's how to create one. Create a .gitlab ci.yml file. In your GitLab project, create a file named .gitlab ci.yml. In the root directory, this file defines the pipeline's configuration and stages. Define stages. Define the stages of your pipeline, such as build, test, and deploy. For example, add jobs. Create jobs for each stage. Each job specifies the commands to run. For instance, configure runners. Ensure you have GitLab runners set up to execute the pipeline jobs. Runners can be shared or specific to your project. Commit the file. Commit and push the gitlab.ci.yml file to your GitLab repository. GitLab automatically detects this file and triggers the pipeline. Monitor pipeline. Navigate to the CI/CD section in your GitLab project to view pipeline status and job results.